Hello students, good morning. In this video we will discuss about the transformation, enthalpies of physical transformation. Okay. So in transformation, when system change from one state to the another state, then there is some change in enthalpy. Some amount of heat is absorbed or some amount of heat is evolved. Okay. So that is called as that delta H. That is called as a change in enthalpy, and we know that what is the enthalpy? Enthalpy, it is the total internal energy inclusive with the pressure volume energy, that is work, is called as enthalpy. Okay. So the a change in enthalpy, that is delta H is equal to HP minus HR, that is enthalpies of product minus enthalpies of reactant, and that is called as the change in enthalpy, that is delta H. It is also called as the heat of reaction for the chemical change. Okay. So first of all we will discuss about the physical transformation. So the physical transformation which are, these are the heat of fusion, means that is the fusion, or melting, okay, then boiling. These are the physical changes, or sublimations. During melting, solid gets converted into liquid, and the opposite reaction or opposite process of the melting, that is called as the freezing. Okay. So the first of all we start from the heat of fusion. Okay. So the fusion, that is fusion reaction, means the solid gets converted into liquid, that is called as the fusion. Okay. So here the enthalpies of fusion means it is the change in enthalpy occur when 1 mole of solid substance gets converted into the liquid, and that change in enthalpy at the constant pressure and at the given temperature, at constant temperature, and that is called as the enthalpies of fusion. For example, 1 mole of H2O solid, that is in a form of ice, it gets converted into liquid, and the change in enthalpy occur during the given change of fusion, that at the 0 degrees Celsius and at 1 atmospheric pressure, that is equal to 6.01 kilojoule per mole. That amount of heat it is supplied to the given process. Okay. And that fusion means liquid, solid gets converted into liquid, and the opposite process of the fusion, that is called as the freezing. Okay. Means liquid gets converted into solid. For example, 1 mole of liquid, it gets converted into the ice, and that is called as at the given temperature or at constant temperature and at the given pressure, that is called as the heat of freezing. For example, here again, water, that H2O 1 mole of liquid gets converted into the solid, then here some amount of heat gets evolved, and the same amount of heat gets evolved during the just like fusion, that is delta fusion. Here delta fusion is equal to 6.01 kilojoule per mole, and in the freezing the same amount, but the opposite in sign. Magnitude is same but opposite in sign, and it is represented by del freeze, FREEZ, del H, and that is equal to minus 6.01. हे समजलं का तुम्हाला? या ठिकाणी फिजिकल चेंज कुठला आहे तर फ्युजन. फ्युजन म्हणजे काय की एन्थाल्पी चेंज ऑकर व्हेन 1 मोल ऑफ, इथे 1 मोल खूप महत्वाचं आहे, 1 mole of that solid gets converted into the liquid at constant temperature and at a pressure is called as enthalpy of fusion. तर आता जसं सॉलिडचं कन्व्हर्शन लिक्विड मध्ये होते फिजिकल चेंज, तसंच लिक्विडचं कन्व्हर्शन कशामध्ये होणार? सॉलिड मध्ये. म्हणजे ही कशी झाली मग अपोजिट रिएक्शन. मग अपोजिट रिएक्शन झाली सॉलिड टू लिक्विड, लिक्विड टू सॉलिड. मग लिक्विड टू सॉलिडला काय म्हणतो आपण? फ्रीजिंग आहे ना. मग फ्रीजिंग मग या ठिकाणी कशाने रिप्रेझेंट करतो आपण? डेल्टा फ्रीज एच, कॅपिटल एच. आणि जेवढं फ्युजन साठी हीट ही ऍब्सॉर्ब झाली तेवढीच अमाऊंट ऑफ हीट ही काय होणार मग इव्हॉल्व होणार, म्हणजे डेल एच ची व्हॅल्यू कशी राहील मग या ठिकाणी -6.01 किलोजूल पर मोल. ओके, ऍट ए गिव्हन टेम्परेचर अँड ऍट ए गिव्हन प्रेशर. देन सेकंड वन दॅट इज द व्हेपोरायझेशन. दुसरी फिजिकल स्टेज कुठली आहे? व्हेपोरायझेशन. मग व्हेपोरायझेशन म्हणजे काय? तर येस, लिक्विड गेट्स कन्व्हर्टेड इनटू व्हेपर्स ऑर गॅसियस स्टेट, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? व्हेपोरायझेशन. मग हिअर enthalpy of vaporization means again change in enthalpy accompanying with 1 mole of liquid gets converted into the vapors at a constant temperature and at a given pressure is called as enthalpy of vaporization. For example, H2O liquid, 1 mole of liquid H2O, it gets converted into vapors or H2O gases, and then the change in enthalpy, it is represented as del VAPH, and that is equal to plus 40 kilojoule per mole. Okay, and this amount of enthalpy which is change initial to final, and this is called as the enthalpy of vaporization. इथे काय झालेलं आहे? एन्थाल्पी ऑफ वेपरायझेशन. वेपरायझेशन प्रोसेस म्हणजे सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे, लिक्विड गेट्स कन्व्हर्टेड इनटू येस गॅसियस स्टेट. मग 1 मोल ऑफ लिक्विड गेट्स कन्व्हर्टेड इनटू गॅसियस स्टेट अँड देन द चेंज इन एन्थाल्पी अकंपनिंग विथ दॅट प्रोसेस at a constant temperature and pressure, that is called as the enthalpy of vaporization. Okay, नंतर तिसरी आहे that is the enthalpy of sublimation. आता सबलिमेशन केव्हा होते? की या दोन प्रोसेस मध्ये कन्व्हर्ट झाले फिजिकल स्टेट. ओके, पण सॉलिड टू लिक्विड, लिक्विड टू गॅस. आणि सबलिमेशन म्हणजे काय? की दॅट इज द प्रोसेस फिजिकल चेंज when solid gets directly converted into the gaseous state. Okay, आणि मग enthalpy of sublimation means again enthalpy change occurs when 1 mole of solid gets converted into the gaseous state at a constant temperature and pressure is called as enthalpy of sublimation. आणि sublimation कोणाचं होईल? तर solid gets converted into gaseous. For example, H2O, 1 mole of solid gets converted into vapors, and that represented by del SUB, sublimation. H is equal to 51.08 kilojoule per mole. Okay. मग आता या तिघांमध्ये काय रिलेशन आहे? पहा इथे, सॉलिड गेट्स कन्व्हर्टेड इनटू लिक्विड, देन लिक्विड गेट कन्व्हर्टेड इनटू गॅस, आणि या दोघांची जर बेरीज केली तर काय होऊन राहिलं? मग liquid liquid cancel, liquid gets converted into gas, solid gets converted into gaseous, and this is called as sublimation. मग आता हीच रिएक्शन आपण ग्राफिकल याच्यामध्ये कशी लिहू शकतो? पहा बरं, पाहता इथे हा असा ग्राफ काढायचा. ओके, देन फर्स्ट इट इज सॉलिड. ओके, then converted into liquid, and then it is converted into gaseous state. So here solid to liquid, that solid to liquid, that is called as heat of fusion. Okay, then liquid to gas, here liquid to gas, this is called as heat of vaporization. Okay, and now here from gaseous state, here solid to directly gaseous state without liquid, so that is called as del sublimation. Heat of sublimation, heat of vaporization, and heat of fusion, isn't it? Okay, after this enthalpies of physical change, that is fusion, vaporization and sublimation, then next one that is called as the ionization, atomization and solution. Okay, so next one that is enthalpy of ionization. Enthalpies of ionization. Here, for example, Na gaseous state giving you Na positive plus 1 electron, and that is del ion H is equal to 494 kilojoule per mole. Okay. Next one, that is Cl, gaseous state, plus 1 electron, giving you here Cl negative, and that is del ion H is equal to minus 349 kilojoule per mole. Okay. So in these two reactions, one is sodium, another is Cl. One is electropositive, whereas another is electronegative. So whenever the atom of an element or electropositive atom of an element, it gets converted into ion by loss of one or more electron. And electronegative ion, they accept one or more electron and to form the negative ions, that is ions. Okay. So in the both the reaction, here ions results an ion, but in the first there is a loss of electron, and in the another reaction there is a gain of electron. Okay, so that is the gain enthalpy, and first one, that is the loss of electron. Okay, that's a loss in energy, and in both the cases that is called as enthalpy of ionization. So what is called as the enthalpy of ionization? It is the enthalpy change, that is del H. Enthalpy change when 1 mole of gaseous atom gets converted into ion at a given conditions, temperature and pressure, called as enthalpy of ionization. आयोनायझेशन चा अर्थ काय होतो? आयन्स मध्ये कन्व्हर्शन. ओके, आणि आयन्स मध्ये कन्व्हर्शन केव्हा होईल? आयदर रिमूव्हल ऑफ 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन or by addition of 1 electron. So the amount of the enthalpy change occur when there is a removal of 1 electron from the gaseous atom, 1 mole of gaseous atom, and converted into ions, that is called as enthalpy of ionization. In the another word, here enthalpy gain ionization, electron gain ionization. Here the addition of 1 electron to the 1 mole of gaseous atom converted into ions under given conditions, temperature and pressure, that is called as enthalpy of ionization. ठीक है. मग आता इथे enthalpy of ionization of sodium when electron is removed, that is positive, means that amount of enthalpy or heat is supplied to the given atom of an element. But in case of the gain of atom of an element, there is a loss of heat, and therefore del H is negative. Here del H is positive. Okay. Next one, that is called as enthalpy of atomization. ही झाली enthalpy of ionization. मग enthalpy of atomization. Atomization म्हणजे काय? तर ऍटम मध्ये कन्व्हर्ट करणे. मग आता ऍटम फॉर एक्झाम्पल Cl2 गिव्हिंग यू Cl प्लस Cl and del H is equal to 242 kilojoule per mole. Okay. So here gaseous mole, 1 mole of gaseous substance, okay, and converted into here atoms. These are the atoms. Okay. So here enthalpy change when 1 mole of gaseous molecule gets converted into the atoms at a given temperature and pressure or at a constant temperature and pressure is called as enthalpy of atomization. म्हणजे काय? Molecule, 1 mole of molecules in a gaseous state dissociates into the atoms at a given temperature and pressure or constant temperature and pressure, then the change in enthalpy is called as enthalpy of atomization. Okay, and last one, that is called as the enthalpy of solution. Enthalpy of solution. Okay, हिअर सोल्युशन कसं करतो आपण, तर गिव्हन अमाऊंट ऑफ ऍक्वियस म्हणजे वॉटर घेतलं, ठीक आहे, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण गिव्हन अमाऊंट आपण टाकू त्याच्यामध्ये 1 मोल ऑफ NaCl. ओके, when 1 mole of NaCl added to the given amount of the water, then here there is a formation of solution. ओके, सोल्युशन फॉर्म झालं. कशामध्ये, मीठ टाकलं पाण्यामध्ये आणि डिझॉल्व्ह केलं, तर ते काय झालं, रिझल्टंट काय झालं, सोल्युशन. मग आता अशा वेळेस देर इज अ चेंज इन एन्थाल्पी. त्यावेळेस चेंज इन एन्थाल्पी त्याला काय म्हणू आपण, एन्थाल्पी ऑफ सोल्युशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, NaCl प्लस गिव्हन अमाऊंट ऑफ वॉटर गिव्हिंग यू NaCl aqueous, del H is equal to 4 किलोजूल पर मोल. ओके, मग इथे काय झाला, एन्थाल्पी चेंज when 1 mole of substance dissolve into the specific amount of the solvent is called as enthalpy of solution. Okay, so here NaCl, 1 mole of NaCl added to the water, specific amount of water, then it gives heat of solution. That is called as the 4 kilojoule, that is heat of solution. आता ही जी 4 किलोजूल हीट ऑफ सोल्युशन आहे ही एवढी स्मॉल असते, म्हणजे आपल्याला त्याला द्यावी किती लागते, तर जेव्हा आपण त्या गिव्हन अमाऊंट मध्ये, सपोज 1 ग्लास पाणी आहे आणि 1 ग्लास पाण्यामध्ये जर समजा आपल्याला 1 चमचा मीठ टाकायचंय आणि सोल्युशन करायचंय, तर काय करतोय आपण, 1 चमचा मीठ टाकतोय आणि त्याला फक्त स्टर करतो. That stirring, during that stirring, the amount of heat or amount of that energy is given to the solution, and that change in enthalpy is called as the nothing but the heat of solution. ओके, म्हणजे ती किती अमाऊंट असते, साधं स्टर केल्यानंतर जी काय अमाऊंट मिळते त्याला, तर दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द हीट ऑफ सोल्युशन. ओके, त्यानंतर पाहायचं आपल्याला थर्मोकेमिस्ट्री. सो व्हॉट इज द थर्मोकेमिस्ट्री? Thermochemistry, it is the branch of thermodynamics or chemistry which deals with the study of chemical reaction accompanying with the amount of heat change. Means in the thermochemical reactions, when there is a change in enthalpy and it should be mentioned in that reaction. Okay, and that reactions are called as thermochemical equations, and the branch of that chemistry which deals with the study of such thermochemical reactions are called as thermochemistry. In thermochemistry there are the 2 types of reaction. One is exothermic reaction and another is endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Okay, so the exothermic reaction means a reaction in which C plus O2 giving you CO2 and del H is equal to minus 394.9 kilojoule per mole, whatever. Okay, so this reaction C solid plus O2 gas giving you CO2 gas. So this is called as the exothermic reaction. Means here exo means heat gets evolved. During the chemical reaction, heat gets evolved from the system is called as exothermic reaction. So C plus O2 giving you CO2, and that is the del H is minus for exothermic reaction. Okay, generally exothermic reactions are spontaneous. And next one, that is the endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction, here N2 plus O2 giving you twice NO. Okay, and del H is positive, near about 205 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so here the reaction in which heat is absorbed during the reaction called as endothermic reaction. And for this, आता एक्झो मध्ये आणि एंडो मध्ये बऱ्याच वेळेस काय होते की कन्फ्युजन होते. बरेच वेळेस एक्झो म्हणजे ऍब्सॉर्ब वाटते आणि एंडो म्हणजे इव्हॉल्व वाटते, जे की चुकीचं आहे. ओके, मग अशा वेळेस काय लक्षात ठेवायचं, तर स्पेलिंग लक्षात ठेवायचं इव्हॉल्व, आणि इथे लिहायचं ऍब्सॉर्ब, ABSORB, ऍब्सॉर्ब. आणि ओ ची पोझिशन लक्षात ठेवायची. एक्झो मध्ये ओ किती नंबरवर आहे, 1 2 3. इव्हॉल्व मध्ये सुद्धा 1 2 3. मग एक्झो म्हणजे इव्हॉल्व. आणि एंडो मध्ये कितीवर आहे, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. मग एंडो म्हणजे ऍब्सॉर्ब. मग केमिकल रिएक्शन इन विच हीट इज इव्हॉल्व, एक्झोथर्मिक. केमिकल रिएक्शन हीट इज ऍब्सॉर्ब, एंडोथर्मिक. ओके. After watching this video, then attempt the following questions. First question. What is heat of fusion? Explain with example. What is enthalpy. Enthalpy of fusion. Explain with example. Second, what is enthalpy of vaporization? Explain with example. 3, what is enthalpy of sublimation? Sublimation. Then fourth one, what is enthalpy of ionization? Next one, fifth one, what is enthalpy of atomization? Next one, what is enthalpy of solution? Next one, distinguish between exothermic and endothermic reaction. Exothermic and endothermic reaction.